Hi, TonyBot. Tell us about yourself.
Hi, I'm TonyBot, an energetic educational robot powered by large AI models with 17 degrees of freedom. I can walk, dance, and do gymnastic moves with these.
What's the weather like in New York today?
New York is cloudy today, with a temperature of 82 degrees Fahrenheit and it feels like temperature of 84 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a light southerly breeze. Humidity is 68%, and it feels quite comfortable overall.
First, say hello to everyone. Then take 5 steps forward and 3 steps back. Give your waist a little twist and finish with a bow.
Sure, let me say hello to everyone first.
Check the distance to the obstacle in front and say out loud. If it's less than 50 centimeters, turn the ultrasonic light red. Otherwise, keep it blue.
The distance is 33.0 centimeters. It's less than 50 centimeters, so I'm turning the light red. The lights are now red since the obstacle is close.
Turn your head 30 degrees to the left. Check the distance to the obstacle and turn your head back to its original position.
And the obstacle ahead is very close.
Are you standing or lying down?
I am standing.
Then lie down and take a break.
Alright, I'm lying down now. Just call me anytime.
Okay, get back up. Describe what you see in front of you.
I see a white backdrop with a dark background. There's a toy rocket and a toy astronaut on the left, and a black object with a white cord on the right.
If you spot a duck, spread your arms like wings.
Okay, let me see what's ahead. There's a yellow rubber duck on the table. I'm spreading my wings now.
If you see a face, do a little dance.
Okay, let me see if there's a face. I can see a man's photo. I'm starting a dance now. Hope you like it.
If you see a hand, do a push-up.
Okay, I've spotted a hand. I'm doing push-ups now.
Check the side ahead, follow the black line, and deliver the item to the indicated area.
Task received. I'll stay right on the line and deliver the item steadily and accurately to the designated area